Hey guys, welcome back to Rainbow Brush with me, Simon. Today we're going to show you how to draw Iron Man. Iron Man is a superhero from Marvel Comics. But you probably knew that anyway, didn't you? Of course you did. Don't forget to subscribe to Rainbow Brush's YouTube channel to find out how to draw lots and lots of things. Again, we draw anything from sports equipment through to intricate people, Peppa Pig as a transformer, Iron Man, Wolverine, technical stuff from the 1980s. You'll always find something to be interested in on Rainbow Brush's channel here on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and or also like us on the Facebook page. So Iron Man then. Looks like he's got a big square head. Looks like he's got a big square head. It's not a square head. He wears a funny mask, Iron Man. Tony Stark is Iron Man's real name in the film. And also in the comics. He built himself an Iron Man suit and became Iron Man. Hello. My name is Iron Man and I'm here to save the world. Would you like to be a superhero? Which superhero would you be? If you could be any superhero, which superhero would you be? I'd be Simon. See what I did there? I'm called Simon, so I'd be Simon. No? Okay. Who would you be? If you're watching this and you want to draw this, I'm suspecting you might become Iron Man. As with all our drawings, if you're not particularly comfortable in going straight away with a permanent marker, just get a pencil first of all, because any lines that you make a mistake with, or anything that you're not happy with, what you can do if you're drawing it in a pencil is get yourself an eraser or a rubber, rub out those lines and try them again. Don't forget, you can always pause this video at any point. Sit there and study what we've got drawn down for you. Take your time. Watch this video over and over again because it's going to be on YouTube for a while, and especially if you subscribe to the channel, you can watch it whenever you wish. Do you love drawing? Good. We're going to spend time drawing Iron Man today. We're not going to spend a lot of time colouring Iron Man in. You can colour Iron Man in, but don't forget, use superhero kind of colours for Iron Man. I know some superhero colours, reds, blues, a lot of silver, because a lot of the uniforms they wear are bulletproof and people-proof and anything proof. So they're made of heavy metals like silver metals and gold metals. Pretty much Iron Man's covered completely from head to toe in the suit, but he's good. One of my favourite superheroes is Deadpool. I think Deadpool's great. He's very funny as well. Love Deadpool. So when you've drawn your drawing in pencil, you can choose a thicker black marker than your pencil to go all around the edges to make it so that the edges are nice and thick and black and superhero type. Then what you can do is colour it in any colour, but make sure you let the black marker pens dry. If it's 100% dry, when you come to colour it in, you'll find that the black marks around the edge don't smudge at all, and you can colour straight up to the edge without worrying about going over the lines and making it look a bit messy. There's only you going to think it's messy. If you draw something this good, everybody's going to think it's brilliant. OMG, that's brilliant! Wow. Stan Lee made this superhero, Iron Man. He made lots of superheroes. He's responsible for most of the superheroes from Marvel Comics, Stan Lee. What colours do you think Iron Man could be today. Do you think he's going to be blue? So there you go, Iron Man for you. What colour should we make him? Ready? Oh, we've gone with golds and purples today. Anyway, from me, Simon, and the Rainbow Brush team, catch you next time. There's how to draw Iron Man. Bye-bye. See you next time.